pancakes here with the dash, and these are going to be gluten-free pancakes. We've already mixed the batter up. What is on there? It's going to be big pancakes. Just spread them out. Okay, close it. Okay.
Not quite ready yet.
Not ready yet.
It's been about 2 minutes.
Still going.
Okay. It's been okay.
And flip it over and see what it looks like, I guess. Make sure it's not burning on the bottom.
I'd have to. That's a heavy pancake.
Yeah, that was. Thin that out now, it'll be better.
Let that go on that side just sides now.
Okay. All right, now we're going to try it with a little thinner. It goes in the oven. Keep it warm. Go with a little thinner batter now.
Still pretty thick. I mean,
Yeah, might have to thin it out a little bit more, I think. Yeah, spread it around, there you go. And you have to, pretty much have to bubbling up there.
Mm-hmm.
You have to flip it.
Yeah.
But even still, that's still not bad, but it's a little thick. That's,
Mm-hmm.
you have to learn to get the right consistency on it.
Okay, looking at the bottom of it now.
Is it cooked all the way through? That's the question.
I think it is.
Okay. That'll be one heck of a pancake. I'll thin the batter out a little bit more this time. Make it a little, I think that looks better. And spread it out.
Checking on pancake number 3. Okay.
It just doesn't seem to want to do that top part. I think because of the fact that the thing is
Well, there's a layer of air.
air in there, and it doesn't, the hot surface from the top doesn't come down far enough.
That's what I mean.
Saw that as. All right. All right, so that pancake is pretty done.
Okay, let me get a plate. Put it on the plate.
Okay. Okay, this one looks better.
The batter's thinner.
Thinner. Works better when thinner. Oh, there you go. That's a much better looking pancake there. Okay, we'll let that one go. Well, it's not the great idea for doing mass pancakes, but if you were just by yourself, want to do one pancake, this works pretty good. Looks like you'll have to flip the pancake. There's no way that the top of that, on the lid, will reach down to the batter to cook it on that side, so you have to flip it. So, but at least it hardens up that side, so it when you do flip it, it will cook through. Okay, so here it is. We're going to test this thing out, see how it is. All right, here we go. Cooked it through. Tastes fine. Yeah, it does cook the pancake, just probably not the most efficient way to do your pancakes if you're doing for a whole breakfast of people. But if it's just you and someone else, you know, there's 2 pancakes, probably just the right little device to use for that. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video on the little Dash 8-inch griddle cooking pancakes. See you next time in another video.